FBS Trader is a powerful all-in-one trading platform to trade and profit easily. Let's see what features the app has. After registration, you will see the main screen with favorite instruments available to trade and your current profit shown in the bottom of the screen. You can open orders with your favorite instruments in several clicks. To change favorites, go to the list of all instruments. You will see the list of all instruments available in the app, including the stocks, metals, etc. Tap the hollow star sign to add it to the favorites. Tap the filled star to remove the instrument from favorites. There are several more sections to explore in FBS Trader. By tapping the Orders icon, you will open the list of all your orders, active and closed ones. By tapping the Finances icon, you will open the screen with your finances. Here you can see how much funds do you have on your account. You can deposit money or withdraw your profit and see the history of your transactions. If you tap the deposit or withdrawal, you will see the list of options available to perform the action. Manage your funds wisely to raise your income with trading. Tap the chat icon if you have any issue with the app. Our support team will answer your inquiries quickly. Tap the More icon to see which account you are using, real or demo one. You can always switch to demo account to practice, or switch back to real account to trade on real market. Simply tap the switch button. Tap on the account settings and see all the main information and your profit with the account on screen. Know your leverage, transaction history, and balance. Tap on the profile link to see your credentials and address, to set up a PIN and biometrics, to see your login history, and log out if necessary. Congratulations! Now you know the interface of the FBS Trader app and can proceed to actual trading. Forex is easy with FBS Trader.
Stay tuned for other titles in this series. They're on the way.